So here we got a Revo 13 customer brought in. He wanted some rewiring done and he wanted a lighting kit put on. So what we did is we added 3 switches here, which were gonna be exterior, interior, and a visibility light. So what we have here is your interior lighting. You have 2 in the back and 2 in the front on the deck. Here you have the visibility light here for the customer. That was his visibility light that he brought in and wanted rewiring. So we rewired that and put that on a switch. Outside stern lights. And outside bow lights. 3 separate switches to run all these. Very convenient. Lots of lighting for night fishing. And real low profile with the switches. We actually rewired his fish finder as well, so his fish finder, his switches, everything's running off a waterproof battery, and Hobie supplies that. It's their Fish Finder 3 Lawrence Ready battery kit. Mounts nicely on the mast, and another satisfied customer.